first thing, what we are going to do is put some baking soda on it like this. So you don't know you can now wash your things without baking soda. If not, you can use some of my favorite, also white vinegar. Yeah man, put a tablespoon of vanilla inside of the liquid. Alright. You see it? Look at that. Alright. Yeah, look at that, guys. Make sure you what. Let me tell you now. I was doing a video today and washing an apple, and people are saying, oh, you cannot do the apple that way, you have to wash it off very good. But what I leave it right here so for so long, you have to leave it in the water for about 10 minutes before you can even use it. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take away this and get this. All right, and then turn on this. Okay, good vibes. So that's going on right there. Okay, and now we're going to put a large cups of hot water. Good vibes. Yeah. So you have to do. So we got 2 medium-sized lime we're gonna use. This is the first one. All right, this is the second one. Put it into the water like this. Good vibes. All right, people. These are powerful recipe, guys. Something totally different. Okay, what you guys never see before. And I like to share new ideas and new recipes. This is very powerful for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. All right, and what you want to do now is a large portion of parsley. Okay, and this is how much parsley I've been using, because I'm using roughly about 2 cups of water, all right, into it. So yeah, that's how it look right there. Things looking good because I'm using boiling water from the kettle, and I make a lot because tomorrow morning I will have the rest. All right, people, so load that in the pot for about 45 minutes. A joke. 45 seconds. 45 minutes, that'll be a very long time, guys. A good vibes. Yeah, man. This one is very good for detox the body and also cleansing the body, cleansing the kidney. All right, yeah. See there, very powerful, very powerful natural home remedy. All right, so if at the first year watch this kind of video and you never see this before, I'm going to tell you, go to your supermarket and grab some of these ingredients. Turn off the cooker and leave that heat for it to concentrate through it. Once you turn off the cooker. Yeah. You don't want to leave that heat on it. Alright? Yeah. Steph, big up yourself, Steph. You don't know the thing, but we have Jackie on the building, seeing where we got EL there, seeing where we got Money in the building. Money Shackle, big up yourself. Money Shackle is in the building as usual. You know what I mean? Giving away free money. If you guys want free money, just check out Money Shackle. Alright, so we're gonna take this off the heat. And you can see boiled up really good. That's why I make a lot. This is like 2 large cups. Alright. guys can see it for yourself. Perfect. All right. Lovely. Yeah, so take it off of the heat. Yeah, man. All right. Just remember, it's all about your guys' love. All right. D3DD, big up yourself. All right. It's all about your guys' love. Thank you so much for sharing your love. New recipe book will be coming out soon. Find what you expect, guys. You're gonna love that one. All right. See there. That's the way it look in the kitchen from Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right. You don't know the thing already. Yeah, man. So if it's the first time you've seen Chef Ricardo using the parsley and making a nice, lovely cup of tea, guys, yeah, I want to tell you something. Yeah, man, are good vibes. All right. Big up on yourself every time. And that is very powerful. I'm going to strain it like this. All right. You don't know the thing already. All right, guys. Drink this. Don't look at it and think, oh, what is that? No, don't do that. Red flag. Also, just do this by faith. I'll show you guys how to wash it, show you guys how to prepare it, and I'll show you guys how to drink it. What more do you need? Let me know. Squeeze it out. All right. Yeah, man. That's it so far. Okay? Everything I've been showing you guys how to do it. All right. Now, look at that. Now, what I want to simply say to you, okay? All right, just it's simple. Just drink this, one in the night, one in the morning. You don't have to put this in your fridge. Now, you can make a large portion of it and put it also in your fridge and drink it during the day. The best thing to drink this, no sugar, no honey, no sweetener, and drink it naturally. All right? It's better because it's going to help you to cleanse the whole entire kidney and also detox your body and also help you to lose weight. All right? So enjoy this recipe and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's the best in the world. Parsley and 2 lemon. 2 cups of water. Drink it before you go to bed. 1 in the morning on an empty stomach. If you replace parsley, just use lemon. If you're allergic to lemon, just use parsley. A good vibes. If you're allergic to 2 of them, don't use them. Use apple cider vinegar. Bless upon yourself.